Everyone likes a touch of elegance at a party, and nothing better than doing a simple, great fizz cocktail. So, the world famous Kir Royale. The good thing about this drink is you can actually batch make them. Say you had a party for 40 people, you had 40 flutes. You can prepare by putting the cassis already in the glass. So you want to put just under a shot in each drink. So you can have it all ready to go before your guests arrive. And then you can use any sorts of fizz. I mean, originally it's with champagne, but it works really well with cava or prosecco. It's a cheaper alternative. So I'm just going to top this up. So what you can do as well is you add the cassis in, but you can also wet the glass like so. So once it's already got a little bit of prosecco inside, all you have to do is top it up, and it actually saves a lot of time. And what I like to do as well is, you can garnish it with seasonal fruits, and it can be a strawberry or raspberry as well, just to make it look a bit nicer, but it's not a necessity at all. And there we go. Nice, beautiful, rich red colour. That's the Kir Royale. Cassis and fizz, whether it be cava, prosecco or champagne. Enjoy.